What's going on, guys? It's your boy MidnightMan. Welcome to the channel for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use Fortnite on your PlayStation 5 to do split screen. So you will need another DualSense controller to make this happen. Unfortunately, DualShock 4 isn't going to work. There wasn't a way to actually load a PlayStation 4 version of the game on the PlayStation 5, so kind of out of luck with that. If you try to connect it using the second screen, it just won't work, guys. With that out the way, let's get into this. When the first controller is into the Fortnite lobby, just as they normally would log in, you want to take that second controller and press the PlayStation Home button on it. Once you do that, you will get the prompt to sign in another user, and we can just do the quick play function as of right now. We will still have to log in though, because once we have that second controller connected, we should see the option to pair the second controller. In my case, I do not see the option, so I'm gonna actually back out. I'm gonna log back in to another game, and now I see the option to press triangle to log in the second controller. I'm gonna hold that, and this is where I'll have to sign in to PlayStation Network. So your friend can either use the PlayStation app to log in via the QR code, or they can enter it in manually. And then just go ahead and sign in, and then select X to retry to sign in, not square, just press X, and then you'll be able to be in the lobby. And that's really all there is to it. Now I can just start up a game, do some duos, make sure you're ready up on either one of the controllers. And now I'm into a game, split screen at 60 frames per second, and it just looks really good, guys. Definitely an update from the features on the PlayStation 4, and it runs a lot smoother from the testing that I've done. Like, it's not as glitchy and clunky and low latency as it once was before. Moving both controllers around right now. Yeah, map is looking good, even on split screen. Wow. I found my split screen friend. Oh, no, wait, we gotta social distance a little bit. Gotta keep your distance, 6 feet, right? 6 feet. Hey, get out of here. Don't touch my friend. Don't touch my friend, man. Don't touch my friend. What'd I tell you? But okay, guys, that's how you do split screen using two DualSense controllers on Fortnite with your PlayStation 5. Pretty cool and pretty easy, so now you can play with your friends with ease on Fortnite. If you guys came to enjoy this video, make sure you hit it with a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you're new around here with post notifications on. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.